What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright, so I've got two videos for you guys today. We're going to start off with YouTube channel Mohd Sofian. Now, he was recording in Malaysia next to the Signal-Petati River when he catches something pretty cool. Now, like I said, he's a drone operator catching this beautiful sunrise. And as he's recording, he catches this. Comes in the frame, and then it takes off. What is it? What are we seeing? Are we seeing some type of craft? Is it as simple as a bird? What is your opinion? Watch right here. You see that? You saw that at the end? It kind of looks like it wobbled. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it something else? You decide, and you tell me what you think that he caught. All right, so let's move on to our next video. Now, this next video comes from a YouTube channel, Mooncat72, and this is not the first time that I've used his work. He catches some amazing footage of the moon, and right there you go. What was that? Are we looking at space debris? Are we looking at a craft? Is it a satellite? What do you think that this object could be? Moving pretty fast. He's recording from England. Slowed it down a little bit. Try to bring out more detail, but you really can't tell. Are we looking at a disk? Are we looking at an asteroid? I don't know. You tell me. You decide. Give me your opinions. And as you see here, as it passes, are we looking at points? Does it have points on it? Now, I've seen crafts before that are kind of star-shaped, or I say craft, let's say UFO. Is this what we got going on here, or is it more of a circular shape? You can see right there. Now, that could just be distortion from the recording. I don't know. But I would like to get your opinion. Please leave a comment. Let's talk about this. And check out the original video. I'll leave the links to both videos in the description box. Go by, holler at them, tell them you saw your video on Terry's Theories. Alright guys, so I guess that's all I got today. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think that this could be. Spectacular, isn't it? And if you do feel so inclined, if you would like to donate to the channel, I've got PayPal and Patreon, and every little bit helps. Alright guys, thanks. This is Terry. Terry out.